Good morning this morning and welcome to Uncle AI online chemistry class. This morning we'll have a question at hand, and the question says calculate the mass of the sodium hydroxide in 250 centimeter cube of 0.5 molar solution. Here we are expected to calculate the mass of sodium hydroxide with a concentration of 0.5 in 250 centimeter cube volume. Now you can solve this question in various methods, but here I will teach you only but two methods you can use to solve the same question and get the same answer. Number one method, you can easily calculate the number of mole present in this solution by stating that number of mole is equal to concentration times volume. And here you know that the number of mole will be equal to your concentration is 0.5, then that of volume is 250 centimeter cube. Then you convert the volume to dm cube by dividing it with 1000. And when you divide it with 1000, you now have 0.5 mole times 0.25. Then the number of mole here is 0.125 mole. That's step 1. Then step 2, to get the mass, mole is equal to mass all over molar mass. Then since we have known the mole, you are looking for the mass and you don't know the molar mass yet. We need to calculate the molar mass by saying molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Molar mass of sodium hydroxide. So molar mass of sodium hydroxide will be equal to, sodium is 23, that is the mass of sodium. Mass of oxygen is 16, mass of hydrogen is 1. That gives you a total of 40. So now we'll come back here. Our number of mole is 0.125 is equal to mass all over 40. That means that our mass will now be 0.125 times 40. Our mass is equal to 5.0 gram of sodium hydroxide was actually present in 250 centimeter cube of 0.5 mole concentration. Now, this same question, you can solve it using this method. You can equally say that since number of mole is equal to concentration times volume, where N is equal to mass all over molar mass, we can put it in the equation. We have that M all over molar mass is equal to concentration times volume. So we make M sort of formula. We have molar mass, times concentration times volume. Our mass will now be equal to, remember the molar mass, when we calculated the molar mass of sodium hydroxide, gives us 40. Then multiply by the concentration 0.5, multiply by the volume, which will divide with 1000 to convert it to dm cube, we have 0.25. When you multiply all these things, your mass will be equal to 5.0 gram of 5.0 gram of sodium hydroxide was present. Thank you and God bless.